The other one that I think that I'm paying very close attention to, that I don't have nearly the size on that I would like, is Doge. And again, like if Bitcoin's going to run here and it's going to give us Bitcoin dominance blow off, and we're going to get an actual alt season, you want to look for, this is Doge versus Bitcoin. You can see I've kind of already outlined this. We might be bottoming out here against Bitcoin and get this like expanding volatility pattern. But if Bitcoin's actually going to run hard here, you may get the deviation on the Bitcoin pair. Let's clean this chart up a little bit. I don't want to delete all of the moves here. And this is what would actually get me to long Doge pretty aggressively. I think the dollar pair on Dogecoin, if you have like a wide stop loss and you're just like in the like, if you're willing to ride it down to like 10 cents or so, I think Doge is fine. Look for that deviation on the Bitcoin pair. Look for the capitulation down. This is like this big support level. This was prior resistance. This was last cycle. We pushed up above it. You had your second consolidation. This was your first, again, with that on the Bitcoin pair. You had the deviation, you had this pump, this reclaim, and this was your first consolidation. This was your second one. This is a big level for me on the Bitcoin pair, where if we see Doge Bitcoin capitulate in a Bitcoin pump, you want to be buying Doge down here very aggressively. And I will be of that same mind. I'll take that trade as well. I don't know if we'll get that, just because we are kind of, wedging here. This is the Doge Bitcoin 4 hour. Let's go into the daily. Like, we do have some support on the Bitcoin chart. And so I've already grabbed like a small starter position on Doge around these levels, because we do have the wedge and the bullish divergence on the RSI. But ideally, if Bitcoin's going to break out and push higher and push the Doge Bitcoin pair lower, that starter position on the US dollar pair will still be in profit, even though the chart's doing this. The chart will just be capitulating on the Doge Bitcoin pair because the Bitcoin chart is running so hard. Bitcoin here, call it 140, 150K. What is this in terms of percentages? Yeah, 40%. So yeah, like maybe 140, 150, 160K Bitcoin, and Doge hasn't run yet. Like, okay, you want to load up on Doge. I don't know that we'll get that. I kind of believe that we're going to get a bit of a bounce here, or maybe bottom out there. But yeah, so spent a lot of time tonight on kind of like what to do, how to trade alts if you get the Bitcoin move that we're hoping we get.